each of you have accepted the responsibilities of office. I ask you to raise your right hand in the position of our fraternity sign and repeat after me the oath of office. I state your name. Having been duly elected as, state your position. Of APO Alumni Association of Greater Los Angeles, Charter Number 9. Of Alpha Phi Omega International Philippines Incorporated for development year 2012-2013, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully assume the responsibilities and discharge the duties of my office, always conscious of the trust and confidence conferred upon me by my brothers and sisters, and that as a true officer, I will do my best to uphold its bylaws and exemplify the scout oath and law. I further promise that I will give unselfishly my time and energy in building a program of service. I therefore renew my faith and pledge my best efforts to further build and support my cherished democracy. I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. This 15th day of December 2012 at Knott's Berry Farm Hotel, 7675 Crescent Avenue, Buena Park, California, 90620. So help me God. Having committed yourselves to this noble purpose, the task of fulfillment is yours alone. No one prod you to observe your promises. As a guide, we suggest these few lines from the pen of Shakespeare. And I quote, "To thine own self be true, and it must follow as the night of the day. Thou cannot then be false to any man." On behalf of the Board of Directors and Executive Council of Alpha Phi Omega International Philippines Incorporated, I earnestly charge you to assume the responsibilities and perform the duties of your respective offices in the spirit of love and understanding. Your effort as officers of APO Alumni Association of Greater Los Angeles, Charter Number 9, will be rewarded only by the satisfaction which you will gain in seeing Alpha Phi Omega grow and propagate its program of services. Brothers and sisters, please keep your standards high. Our fraternity brothers and sorority sisters are looking up to your leadership. You've taken your oath of office as officers of APO Alumni Association of Greater Los Angeles, Charter Number 9, and having received in trust the truths embodied in Alpha Phi Omega, I am now happy to declare you officers of this association. Congratulations. To close this oath-taking ceremony, may I request Brother Regional Representative Francis Mejia to lead the closing prayer.
Let us please bow our heads in prayer. Our common God, we come to Thee at the closing of ceremony with thankfulness for the fellowship, inspiration, and idealism we have enjoyed. We ask Thy guidance and direction as we continue this program of leadership, friendship, and service. We beseech Thy special blessing